Facebook login my account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can actually log into your Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to log in, you can use the facebook.com in your browser or website, or you can also use the Facebook app. So depending on what you use, go ahead and then open it up respectively. Now if you already had your account saved previously, you can just tap the login option to log into one of your saved accounts. If you have not created a new account, you can tap the create new account option that you can find here, or you can just tap the login to another account option. Make sure to enter your mobile number or email address and enter the password and tap on login. If you're not sure what password you typed in, you can tap the I button. If you want to reset your password, you can tap on forgotten password and it will send an email, and you can verify and reset the password. But assuming you have your account logged in already, you can just go ahead and then log in if you'd like. This way you can log into Facebook account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.